welcome back to my channel. Today we're shopping at TJ Maxx at the San Dimas location. When I first walked in, I saw this beautiful colored bag. It looked like a designer dupe and it was just $19.99. And in the clearance section, I saw this beautiful neon colored Puma backpack for just $13. And in the clearance section, I also saw this beautiful coral backpack that said love on it for just $24. They also have this beautiful pink Steve Madden backpack on clearance for $28. And when I came across one of my favorite travel items, I just had to share it with you guys. These are perfect to throw in your bag or your suitcase. They're the perfect little laundry travel bags that just keep all your clothes separate from your clean ones. I also came across this huge clearance table that had a lot of different items. They had skincare items, a lot of different aromatherapy items, and some other medication type items. I'm not exactly sure why they were having a clearance this time, but I did see they had another table that I'll show you in a little bit. They also had this second table that had some shampoos and conditioner, some treatment therapy, color shampoos, a lot of different items for hair care. And we finally made it to the makeup section. To be honest, I'm not like a big makeup person, but I still wanted to go ahead and show you guys all of the really great high-end, really affordable makeup items that you could get at TJ Maxx. They carry Pixie. I know they also carry this brand at Target. However, I'm going to show you guys a few other items coming up, like this Benefit Brow Contour Pro for $9.99. I know they carry these at Sephora as well, so that's a really great affordable price at TJ Maxx instead. Another really great high-end brand to look for at TJ Maxx is NARS. They have this foundation for $14.99. And I've also heard a lot of really great reviews on this brand right here called Pretty Vulgar. These were the foundations. I've never tried it myself. They were $11.99. If you've ever tried anything from this brand, please let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested. I absolutely love their packaging. I think it's so pretty. I also came across a palette by Pretty Vulgar coming up soon that I'm going to show you guys. It was so beautiful. Here was the palette that I found by Pretty Vulgar. I definitely wanted to open it and look at the colors inside. It was so beautiful. I absolutely love neutrals and nudes. I was really sad that people opened it and put their fingers in it. I would have definitely brought it home with me because it's definitely my style, but it was messed with, so I left it back at the store. This was another brand that I've never tried before, but I absolutely love their packaging and the color. This was a glitter lip topper, so they're kind of like a lip gloss with just a bunch of glitter. It's meant to go over your lipstick just to give it a little shine. I think it would look so beautiful. They had 3 different shades, and for just $5.99 for a high-end brand like Lime Crime, it was a perfect deal. I was also really shocked to come across this Marc Jacobs Do Everything kit. It comes with 1 primer and 3 dewy highlighters. I did check in store, and on Sephora's website this was listed as $36. For just $14.99, it was definitely a steal. I was also really shocked to come across these Impressions Hollywood XL Vanity Lights in rose gold and white. And I was also really excited to find this skincare fridge. It was by Vanity Planet, which I know is a really great skincare brand. And it was actually not as expensive as I thought it would be. It was $39.99. And for the vanity lights, they were $44.99. And I was a little disappointed in the face mask section. I went ahead and checked out everything. There was nothing that caught my eye. I do show you guys a few face masks from my favorite brand, The Cream Shop. But other than that, there was nothing there that I saw that I brought home with me. Let me know in the comments section below if you saw something that I need to try, and I will be going back to grab that. And in the home decor section, I was really excited to see all of their spring and Easter items out. Some of my favorite items this year are definitely these gnomes. And I'm also loving all of the little Easter bunnies. The colors of spring, the floral, and all of the greenery. I also couldn't pass by this wreath section without showing you guys because they were so pretty. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And if you're still watching, I definitely saved the best section for last, which is the shoes. I definitely love checking out all of the lounge slippers. This colorful one was my favorite. I absolutely love the leopard print. These Jessica Simpson slippers are so soft. If you haven't felt them or ever owned one, you definitely need to go and just run your hands through it. It's so soft. I love them and they're so affordable. They're less than $10 for most of them. These are the pair that I brought home with me because I absolutely loved all of the colors in it and it was just too pretty to pass up. And I couldn't believe TJ Maxx was carrying slides that were Juicy Couture. These were definitely really cute. $14.99 for Juicy Couture. Yes, please. And as soon as I turned around, these shoes definitely caught my eye. All of the bling on this was just so beautiful. They were by Nicole Miller and they were really affordable. Just for $19.99 for a shoe with all of that bling and fur was definitely a deal. And that's faux fur, of course. And she also had them in black and I also saw them in brown. But of course it wouldn't be a shop with Mimi video if I didn't drop something. If you've been a long-time follower of mine, you definitely know that's the truth. And if you're still watching this far, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a friend. I really appreciate all of the support and the lovely comments. These videos really mean a lot to me and it really means a lot when you guys comment and tell me how much you enjoyed them. So please continue to support, comment, share with your friends. And if you're still watching, leave me a heart emoji in the comments below to let me know. And I absolutely could not leave these furry slides behind. These pink ones by Steve Madden. They were $19.99 and so soft and beautiful. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what other stores you'd like to come along with me on my shopping journey. I'm really excited to have all of you a part of the family. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram for future giveaways. And stay tuned for my next video. I will see you then. Take care and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.